All right, look at this, guys. Ain't this magnificent? Wow. Mm-mm. So creamy and delicious.
Yo, 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 yo. What's up? What's up? What's up? Chef Young D right here. If you want to see how I prepare this very delicious Tuscan chicken recipe, just stick around now. I will show you right after the break. Alright, welcome back, guys. As you can see from my thumbnail, today I'll be preparing a very delicious Tuscan chicken recipe. So, right here, I have a pound and a half of boneless chicken breast, also a medium onion, 4 cloves of garlic, my Parmesan cheese, my sun-dried tomato, 2 cups of heavy cream, 4 cups of spinach, some garlic and herb seasoning, some garlic and pepper season, some cayenne pepper, some black pepper, some oregano, some garlic salt, and some cornstarch, right? And I'm just gonna mix these seasons together. And guys, I'm not gonna use all these seasons on the chicken, right? I'm just gonna use some and add the rest to my sauce, right? All right, so I'm just gonna set this aside. Now I'm gonna go ahead and slice my chicken breast straight down the middle because you don't need it that thick, right? So I'm just gonna go ahead and just slice it straight down the middle, right? Same for this one as well. I'm just gonna add my chicken breast to my dish, right? Now I'm gonna go ahead and sprinkle some of my season. And guys, the reason why I add the cornstarch is to actually give the chicken a nice texture, right? So now I'm gonna go ahead and just rub my season right into my chicken, right? Make sure the back and the front of the chicken is well seasoned, right? Alright, so now that my chicken is well coated, I'm just gonna set it aside. Now I'm gonna go ahead and start cutting up my season, right? First I'm gonna start with my garlic. Alright guys, so this is good enough. So I'm just gonna push it aside and start with my onion, right? And I'm actually changing my mind from using all this onion, right? So I'm just gonna use half. Alright, so I'm gonna work with this, right? This is good enough for me. Alright guys, so now I'm gonna go ahead and start with the cooking process. But first I'm gonna start by adding 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. I'm just gonna leave it to hot. Alright guys, so now I'm gonna go ahead and add my chicken breast, right? And guys, I'm just gonna brown on each side for 2 to 3 minutes, right? Alright guys, so now I'm gonna go ahead and flip my chicken breast. And wow, oh look guys, ain't this looking lovely? Look at it, wow, nice, beautiful. Now I'm gonna go ahead and take my chicken breast out, right? And guys, this is smelling very delicious and it's looking beautiful, trust me. Wow, look at it man, look at it guys, wow. Alright, so now I'm gonna go ahead and turn my stove on medium heat, right? Because I don't want my garlic to burn, right? So I'm just gonna turn my stove down a bit. And I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon of butter. Now I'm gonna go ahead and add my garlic. I'm just gonna saute my garlic until it becomes golden. Also gonna add my onion. And guys, the kitchen is bursting with the aroma right now. Very, very delicious. Trust me. Now I'm gonna add my spinach. And I'm just gonna make it quail a bit, let it steam, right? Also gonna add my sun-dried tomatoes. And I'm actually using 125 grams of sun-dried tomatoes, right? Looking beautiful, right? Wow. Now I'm gonna go ahead and add my heavy cream. Also gonna add half cup of grated Parmesan cheese. Also gonna add the remaining season from a chicken. Now I'm gonna mix everything together. And guys, you should be smelling this aroma right now. It's off the chain, trust me. Wow. Beautiful. Now I'm gonna go ahead and add my chicken. And I'm gonna pour some of that sauce all over my chicken, right? Creamy, delicious. Wow. Guys, look at this. Look at this, guys. How it look to you? Tell me how it look. How it look? Ain't this looking lovely? Wow. Wow. Creamy. So I'm just gonna give it about 2 minutes, then turn my stove off and show you the finishing product right after this.
So here I have the finishing product, and I'm actually serving it with some mashed potato, guys. Look delicious, right? Tastes delicious too. I wish y'all be tasting this right now. Wow, nice.
Alright guys, so now I'm gonna go ahead and do a little taste test for y'all. Right. First I'm gonna start with the mashed potato. Mmm. Oh my word. I wish if you guys was tasting this right now. This is off the chain. Wow. Alright, let me get a little piece of the chicken breast. This is lovely. Watch out. Wow. This is very flavorful. Very, very, very flavorful. Look at this, guys. Look at this. Yeah, see it? Watch out now. Lovely. Magnificent. Wow. I'm going to take a little piece of the sun-dried tomatoes. This is heaven right here. This is heaven right here. Alright, you are. I'm going to finish this off camera now. So we'll catch up on next time, alright? Alright guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Just hit that notification bell below to keep up to date with all the latest videos each and every week. So until then, take care. I'm out.